Hey, what's up, guys? So I kind of just wanted to do a kind of are you good? You okay? This is my puppy Mika. So I just wanted to do like I guess a unboxing or like mail day. I guess that's the best way to explain it. So I've like been saving a couple things to like open up. So I guess let's just get started with it. It's a handful of stuff. So I can't remember exactly what everything is, but this is on Anvil's 95. I have like 3 of these at this point. 2 of them are basically my size and one's like super tiny, but it's like dead stock. So here's another one for the collection. Thank you, Mika. She approves. And if you don't know, I'm Ridiculous Vintage on Instagram. I sell on Depop and eBay and stuff. So if you're looking for anything, let me know. Here's another random magic one I don't have, which I have too much magic stuff, as you can see. So I'll most likely be getting rid of stuff soon, but thank you, Mika. It's a lot of magic stuff, because that's what I like, but I know what these are. I just got these. I've wanted these for forever. Yes, sir. Yes. And they're still like good size, everything. Do these have pockets? No, but I don't care. I've wanted these forever. Thank you, Mika. Come on this side, Mama. Thank you. Lay down. Alright, let's see if I can get into these without having a knife or anything. I'm not prepared. I just wanted to film something real quick. Mika, you're fine. You don't need this. Nope. Nope. You're fine. Get a knife or something. Mika, please get away from me with the knife. Thank you. Not like you have a knife, but what you have to deal with when you get a new puppy. She has no personal space. Again, another magic thing, which I didn't think that's what everything was going to be, but 1995, it's a pack tight, so sealed, everything. This is one thing that I've been collecting a lot of. There's a bunch of different pack tights that eventually I'll do a video on that too. And unwrap a bunch of these and show exactly what each one is. Thank you. I think this other one is also one. Maybe. We'll see. Might be missing something. I think I ordered something else. I don't know where it is. Yep, here's another one. Yoo-hoo 2003. It says who in flames. Hey, look. And then this. I bought a while back. It's been a while. Don't mind my kitchen knife. And she doesn't have personal space. Thank you very much. Hey, stop. Come on. And they individually packed everything. So this was a lot that I bought. That's pretty cool. Yeah, let's open them up. Let's see what's in here. I think I paid like $110 for this, which I think it might be worth it. Pocahontas. Look like it's all, I don't even know what kind of tag. You can't even tell because the tag's ripped out, but it has this size tag. Doesn't have a year or anything. You can see it there. Please get away. Here's another one. I don't know what tag this is. But that is fire. 1998 Titanic. It's on an anvil. Clearly not that old. 2004, but Nirvana, if you can read that. It's pretty cool. This one's on a jersey. It's made in USA. It's an XL. Stay in school. NBA. I thought that one was pretty cool too. Oh, this is really making me think. I ordered something else and I don't know where that is. This one is triple XL on the Delta. Rod Stewart, 1999. That's pretty cool. I can't think of any Rod Stewart songs, but this one is on Mickey Unlimited. Pretty cool one too. I'm sure it's from the 90s. If it will show it. That's cool. Like, this was totally worth it. I won it for 110, I believe. Or I might have just paid or offered him that much and he took it. 1995 USA. Pretty cool. Single stitch. Has some distressing to it. It's cool to recycle. I agree. It is cool to recycle. It was on a pitch in. It's XL. Made from recycled products. That's really cool. All right, sorry about that. I had to take the dog out. Yeah, so I was just checking while I was doing that. So I ordered something else, and it was supposed to be here. And the guy never shipped it out. It was supposed to be here on February 13th, and so I just had to send a message saying what happened, but that's fine. This one is on a Hanes Heavyweight, which is my favorite tag. And that's an XL. McDonald's Flintstones. 1994. I actually have one that's dead stock, which is like tiny. It's like little kid size. So maybe I'll save that for the future. This is an XXL. Betty Boop. 1992. Front and back. on a soft tee, XXL, USA, TJs. Here's the last one. Shout out to Josh. This is an XL. I'm not just saying some random person's name. There's Josh. Wayne Gretzky. It's like, I don't know what language that is, but, oh, it's in Hebrew. If I just read a little more, but you can see it. That's pretty cool. And here's the last thing. It's on a Hanes heavyweight. Crazy all over. Taking it to the limit. There's bugs on here. Not bugs, but actual Bugs Bunny. Yeah, this is wild. Bad toys. Bad boys, bad toys. Super Bowl. It's like a crazy misprint almost. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. But that's everything. I might add on some of the stuff that I found today at the bins and a couple thrift stores afterwards. But I actually cleaned that stuff, so let me do that. All right, so I'm gonna show a bunch of the stuff that I got today, which most of this pile, but Carhartts. It's my first time actually buying some, but I never go through jeans or pants or anything, but when you're at the bins, there's everything. So I might keep these for myself as long as they fit. This is a made in USA Bacardi. Rums of Puerto Rico, which is really cool, but the back is fire. But I'm half Puerto Rican, so that's always really cool to get something with your heritage on it. Final answer. Jesus. It's on All Style Apparel. It's XL. People love their Jesus tees. I don't know why. Here's just a blank jerseys that I found a couple days ago. People love blanks now. There's another thing I found at the bins. It's on a TNT. It's a large Yogi Bear. 2000. It has stains on it, but it is washed. I just need to try and get the stains out. This is on a jerseys. 1991. Daytona Beach. Bike Week. Really, really cool. Really nice fading. Has holes in it, but it just Harley tees and motorcycle tees is kind of what you want. Here's another one. It's El Salvador on a Signal Sport. I just think it's cool. Really cool design. Has bleach stains and everything, but. And I'll be at an event this month on March 28th. It's a Sunday at Ace Cafe in Orlando. So some of this stuff might be for sale. Here's a, essential XXL Nike, simple little hit, nothing on the back. So if you want to come out and purchase anything, I'll probably have a bunch of $10 stuff. UCF. It's on a Jan Sport. You don't really see too much UCF stuff actually. Here's another Rainforest El Salvador tee. Something, cute, $10, something at my event. Los Angeles Kings jersey. Has little stains that I tried to get out, but I don't know what this would be. If it was a kid's jersey or something, but it's still pretty cool. Newer Naruto stuff. Hoodie. Here's another blank on jerseys. Here's a blank. I'm pretty sure it's an older Hanes or Fruit of the Loom pocket. Single stitch. Pretty cool color. This is on your Hanes 50/50 French quarter. It's pretty cool too. Like a little bird, flowers on the jerseys. This one's Niagara Falls. I don't remember if it had a year on it, but it's on the jerseys as well. Really cool colors on it. Let's see what this is. 1987 Camp Koala. Has a little pouch there. It's really cute. Another blank jerseys. This one's 94. Chicago Bears. It's on a logo 7. This one's kind of cool too. It's on a Gildan. It's not super old, but it's 2001. It's Lake Eustis, so actually pretty close to where I live in Florida. Here's just another Gildan's. I love New York. It's super faded. It has stains, but it's kind of a cool classic shirt. Here's another jerseys. It's blank. And then this Yankees satin, little patch on it. Felco. I don't know what year it would be, but it's made in USA. You can see the tag. Pretty cool. Yeah, and this is smaller, but that's basically everything I found today, and you know, all my stuff that I got in the mail recently. A lot of it might be for sale on my Depop or eBay or whatever, so check it out. And if you're in Orlando on March 28th, come out to the event, say hi. It'll be fun. But thanks for watching the video, and see you guys next time.